What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, you're watching Life with MTK, and this is your girl Marsha. So in this video I will be setting up my baby's rocker. I've never done something like this before, but I plan on taking on the challenge on camera. So I've opened it once before to take a look at it. Didn't check how to set it up or anything, so I don't have an idea how to set it up, but hopefully I can get it done all by myself. So if you guys have been watching my channel, you would have seen that I got this rocker in my baby shower gifts. I showed you this rocker in my baby shower haul. So she can be fussy sometimes. Whenever I put her to lay down, she might stay there for a minute or two before she starts fussing and crying. So I want to make this rocker up and put her in there with these little cute toys here and play her little music on it and see if that will keep her calm. She's there on the bed fussing right now. She was sleeping, but I guess she wake up now and they're fussing a bit. So let's get started. And guys, please remember to hit your subscribe buttons, turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I post a video. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Also share my videos, please. Always need the support, guys, so share out the video them, please, and thank you. All right, so let's see what we can do here. True. Oh my God. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know where to start. Oh, let me relax my head. Guys, I don't know where to start here. So guys, the baby woke up, so I had to stop and attend to her. Plus I was not sure what I was doing, so I just waited until her father came home so we could finish it together. is it, guys. It is all done. This button right at the front, you just switch it over to those curly lines and you will get vibration from it. And from this little frog toy here at the top, you get music from it. So when she's in there rocking and vibrating, she can hear music as well. I love this little rocker, it's very nice. And then this little part here is to strap her in. It's the seat belt to strap her in so she won't slide out.